when was the last time you checked your nuts? No, men, no, stop. I mean wheel nuts, you know, these ones. When was the last time you checked them for size? No, this video is full of innuendo. I apologise, but there's nothing I can do about it. But yeah, when was the last time you checked the nuts on your Freelander 2 to see how big they are? And you might be confused about going, what is he on about? I don't understand. Well, the Freelander 2 wheel nuts should be 21mm. So I've got a 21mm socket, put it on the wheel nut. As you can see, it takes a bit of wobbling, little tap here and there, but the socket goes on. So yeah, great times. Well, the thing is with Freelander 2 wheel nuts is these are like outer covers to a point. Like that's not kind of the wheel nut itself per se. And what happens is over time, salt, grit, dirt, all that gets kind of in the wheel nut and it swells. It keeps swelling up. And the last set that we had on our Freelander 2 got to 23mm. So we had to get a 23mm socket to put on the wheel nut in order to undo it. 21mm socket, no chance whatsoever. There has been kind of worst case, let's say, that people have said that their wheel nuts have eventually cracked because they keep swelling up, then eventually they crack. So yeah, this is one of them top tip kind of videos of check your wheel nuts, check to see what size they're at. If they're 21mm, great. If they're 3-4 years, I don't know how many years old, but if they're old wheel nuts, check to make sure you can get a 21mm socket. If you have to get up to a point of a 23mm socket, it's probably time to buy a new set of wheel nuts. I'll leave a link. I think MuddyMods do a wheel nut kind of thing on their website. I'll leave a link to that just because they're our friends and we get on with them. So at the end of the day, and they're a small business, so try and help out a small business and help out our friends. Get yourself some new wheel nuts if yours are swollen up, because eventually they could potentially crack, and no one wants cracked wheel nuts, and definitely no one wants swollen wheel nuts, that's for sure. But yeah, check to make sure. As you can see, I have to fight that to get that off. So yeah, ours are probably 21.5mm probably, let's say. So they are in the process of slowly swelling up, but they're well within remit right now. So yeah, I've checked my nuts. Why don't you go outside and give your nuts a check? Oh yeah, I was meant to do like an outro thing, one night that I normally do it at the end of each video and I kind of forgot. If you want to see another video like this, click up here. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click down there. Thank you very much to our Buy Us a Coffee people that have brought us a cup of tea or cup of coffee. It all helps the channel run. Also, thank you to the YouTube members for being a member. Thank you very much to you guys as well. It all helps the channel out no end. So thank you very much. And if you watch this video, feel free to stick a like on it. Be a devil. Thanks everyone.